Protecting information that reside in cloud application has become critical as SaaS vendor SLAs do not cover for data loss when it is not their fault. In addition, the recoverability period and capabilities from SaaS providers are very limited and can often come at an extra cost. In this video, we will quickly cover why it is important to protect the data that resides in cloud applications and show how inSync seamlessly connects to popular cloud applications to protect, preserve, and discover end-user data. Shown here are the top reasons for data loss, and as we can see here, about 64% of SaaS data loss is as a result of employees deleting or overwriting information accidentally, and the range spreads across from hacker or malicious activity to the ending of a SaaS service. Druva inSync provides a single pane of glass for viewing and managing data across endpoints and popular cloud applications such as Office 365, Box, and Google. Through rich features like backup and restore, archival, search and audit, automated compliance management, and legal hold for e-discovery, inSync enables organizations to protect, preserve, and discover end-user data while mitigating any data risks and not impacting any employee productivity. Let's now take a look at how to connect inSync with some popular cloud applications like Google. As an IT administrator, once you log into the inSync cloud platform, go to the Cloud Apps account under the Manage tab. Here, you can see the cloud applications that inSync connects to. As you can see here, inSync is currently configured to back up data from Office 365 and Box. And since the process to connect to any cloud application remains the same, we will show you how to connect to Google as an example. Select Google and click on Configure below. You will now be redirected to Google to grant inSync access to your Google tenant. Click on Yes. Enter your Google admin credentials, password, and sign in. To complete the process, click on Allow, install the app, and accept the next few steps to grant inSync complete access. As you can see now, inSync is now connected to Google Apps. Now, if you go to a user like Rachel Smith, you can see that inSync is not only backing up information from our Mac, but also from our Google Drive and Gmail as well. Now, in the event of accidental data deletion in the cloud, or if there has been a ransomware attack, recovery of data is of utmost importance. To recover any data, click on Restore under the Availability tab and select the user whose data needs to be restored. For Gmail, you can download the emails or restore emails by date range including 3 or 6 months, or by simply entering the specific date range. You can also restore all her emails back to the cloud, in her account, or to any other user like her manager in the organization. As you can see here, you can also restore data from her OneDrive account, laptop, or smartphone with similar restore options. Now, if you have other users in the organization, say like George Taylor, for whom you're backing up data from Box, Exchange Online, his iPad, his Mac, and OneDrive account, you can similarly restore his data directly to the cloud or download it alternatively as well. inSync is the only integrated solution that brings visibility to end-user data and provides an automated system to proactively track, monitor, and notify of potential data risks. Compliance managers can create their own sensitive data or simply utilize existing pre-configured sensitive data types like PHI, PII, or PCI, or leverage pre-configured regional compliance templates like HIPAA, UK National Health Service, or financial data. Once an infraction has been found, inSync will alert compliance managers for data infractions to take remediation steps before it is too late. Let's take a look at the infractions now found for Rachel and George under the Compliance Dashboard. The Compliance Dashboard gives a modular, card-based display of the top non-compliant policies and users. The dashboard also shows all the file and email violations found in the organization and provides more details of the file name, the user, and the type of policy violated. Clicking on the file gives more details as to where the file is located, like Google Drive, laptop, or Box. Email violations are also similarly shown with the subject of the email, who the email came from so that you know the source as well, and the type of policy violated. As an IT administrator, you can also view the non-compliance email report or file report to get more details on data infractions in the organization. Now, many organizations go through litigations, and imagine you just got notified of one and you need to collect a few users' data from all their cloud applications, including emails, laptops, their box account, and mobile devices. With Druva inSync, you can quickly collect all end-user data in a few clicks, such that all data and metadata are preserved with no data spoliation risks. For this, click on Legal Hold, enter user email addresses, or simply import a CSV file, and inSync will then validate the users in the system and give you the option to include deleted files with filters to pre-cull data with options such as all data, last data backed up, or provide you with the date range. Once you hit finish, all data for the users in the legal hold is now preserved and cannot be altered or deleted. To access the data, inSync then makes available a WebDAV link, which is a secure HTTPS connector that third-party e-discovery partners can utilize to securely ingest custodian data. Lawyers can then analyze and process the information in the e-discovery platform. For illustration purposes only, and since the WebDAV link is an HTTPS connector, you can paste the link in any browser, and inSync will then ask you to authenticate as a legal admin to view the files for the users on legal hold. You can now see the users on legal hold, and once you click on a user, you can see the various data sources of cloud applications and endpoints he has. Naturally, this is only for demonstration purposes, and the connector is designed to work seamlessly for review and analysis in any third-party e-discovery tool you may have. In summary, inSync delivers a single pane of glass for viewing and managing end-user data in cloud application and endpoints, enables end-user data backup, recovery, and archival, while meeting regional compliance and litigation needs without impacting end-user productivity.